Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to unlock your account. And that is quite easy, because if you go to Snapchat support, you will see the option my account is compromised. Then tap on that. From here, tap on I can't access my account, and then please tap on my account is locked. Then tap on I can't access my account, and then my account is locked. Alright, from here, my account has been temporarily locked, and then you need to tap on locked. Then from here, my account was temporarily locked, and then again you can tap on click here. Now it's important to fill in all your details in this option what Snapchat is asking. When you did this, Snapchat will send you an email, and in this email they will explain you what to do, and they will help you to fix this. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and thanks for watching.